In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your messages in ChatGPT. 2026 Guide. If you've ever wished you could tweak a prompt without starting from scratch, this is for you. The edit tool lets you refine your wording, correct small mistakes, and steer the conversation more precisely, all within the same thread. First, locate the message you want to refine. Open your recent chats and select the conversation that contains the prompt you'd like to update. Take a moment to scroll to the exact point in the dialogue and focus on the message you sent, not the AI's reply. Editing your own text is what changes the instruction the model follows. Skimming the surrounding messages can help you confirm context, so your revision fits naturally with what came before and what you want next. Next, access the editing interface. Move your cursor over your sent message to reveal a small set of hidden controls. These controls are intentionally subtle to keep the interface clean, so hover directly over the message bubble. When the options appear, click the pencil icon labeled Edit. Your message will transform into an editable text field, allowing you to make changes in place without disrupting the rest of the thread. Now, apply your revisions and adjustments. Refine the content by fixing typos, sharpening wording, or clarifying what you want. If it helps, add constraints such as the desired tone, level of detail, or format. For example, you might specify a friendly tone, a concise summary, or a structured answer. Try to maintain your original intent so the conversation stays on track, unless you deliberately want to take it in a new direction. A useful technical tip here is to be concise and unambiguous. Short, direct sentences with clear nouns and verbs reduce room for interpretation and lead to more reliable outputs. If you're updating requirements, make them explicit rather than implied and prefer concrete examples over generalities. Finally, resubmit and regenerate. When you're satisfied with the edit, click Send. ChatGPT will process your revised prompt and generate a new response, replacing the previous one in the conversation flow. Read the updated answer carefully to ensure it aligns with your goal. If it's close but not perfect, repeat the edit process to fine-tune. A couple of small iterations usually produce a sharp, on-target result. And that's all for today. Mastering the edit tool helps you iterate quickly and get the most out of every prompt. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next